Checklist for moving out of an apartment or rental. One of the most frustrating things about renting an apartment is when it comes to moving out, you often have to push to get back your security deposit. If you're concerned about getting your security or damage deposit back, check out this article on what you need to look for and do to ensure you receive the funds back when it comes time to move out. If you're renting your current home and you need to move, make sure you know the details of your lease agreement and the penalties that may apply should you have to break the lease. Knowing what you're signing or have signed will help you avoid paying penalties. This guide also provides detailed information on how to break a lease if you have to and your options should you need to move before your lease is up. We keep talking about the damage or security deposit and how critical it is to get it back. Cleaning your apartment is essential to ensuring the money you paid up front is returned to you after you move out. As part of your lease agreement, you should have a copy of the inspection report that the landlord prepared before you moved in. The report should have been completed while you toured the apartment to make sure that any pre-existing damage isn't blamed on you. If you have pets, it's even more important to clean your place thoroughly and to make sure any damage your pets incurred is fixed. Consider splurging professional cleaners to clean your old place before moving out, especially if you're renting. This might seem excessive, but this will ensure a thorough enough job that you will get your deposit back at move out. After the last box has been packed and moved and before you close the door one last time, there are a few things you still need to do before you leave. While this list should be read and reviewed a week or more before you move out, it can still be used as a last-minute check to ensure you've done all you need to do. It's moving day. You're sure you remembered to do everything you needed to do, but you think there's something missing. Or you were so busy preparing for moving day that you're not quite sure what to expect. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.